Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view old notifications on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to view notifications you may have closed out of or swiped on earlier, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to locate them, and it should be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is tap the Windows and then the N key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, the Windows and N key. And then any notifications that are somewhat recent should appear over here on the right side. You can also clear all notifications as well by selecting Clear All. And that's pretty much it. You can scroll through them if you have multiple ones listed in here. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.